Hello students, welcome to online lecture. Myself Sri Mahendra Patil, assistant teacher from Mahatma Gandhi Vidya Mandir's KBH Vidyalaya and Junior College Malegaon. Dear friends, today we are going to study subject biology. In that we are going to study chapter number 3 and the name of the chapter is Kingdom Plantae. In this chapter we are going to deal with subunit 3.2. The subunit 3.2 is salient feature of major plant groups under cryptogams, and today we are going to study about the division Thallophyta. Before that, firstly we are going to overlook the classification chart of Kingdom Plantae. So the Kingdom Plantae is classified into two subkingdoms as shown in chart. The subkingdom Plantae is classified into two subkingdoms, that is cryptogams and phanerogams. Cryptogams is a lower group of lower plants. It is a subkingdom of Plantae, includes spore producing plants. They are lower plants, and these cryptogams divided into three divisions: Thallophyta, Bryophyta and Pteridophyta. While the second subkingdom Phanerogams, the phanerogams include the higher plants and they are seed producing plants. They are classified into two divisions, gymnosperm and angiosperm. Angiosperm are again divided into two classes, dicotyledon and monocotyledon. That is the classification as shown, classification of plant kingdom as shown in chart. Now today actually we are going to study about the salient features of major plant group under cryptogams. The first one, that is division Thallophyta, that is algae. So listen carefully and keep in mind the salient features of division Thallophyta. Thallophyta division includes the members. They are mostly aquatic and they are algal group. These members are algae. So the members are mostly aquatic, few are epiphytic, growing on other plants, while few are epizoic, growing on other living organisms. Some are symbiotic and epizoic, growing or living non-parasitically on the exterior of living organism. Aquatic algae found in marine and freshwater. So listen carefully again the salient features of major plant group under cryptogams. The first, that is division Thallophyta. The members are mostly aquatic, few are epiphytic growing on other plants, while few are epizoic growing on other living organism. Some are symbiotic and epiphytic growing or living non-parasitically on the exterior of other living organism. Aquatic algae found in marine or freshwater, mostly free living. Mostly these members are free living and few are symbiotic. The plant body of these members is thalloid. plant bodies are differentiated into root, stem, and leaves. They may be small, unicellular, and microscopic. The unicellular microscopic form, which are either motile or non-motile. They can be multicellular and branch filamentous or branch filamentous. Spirogyra is multicellular and branch filamentous algae, and Gara is branch filamentous algae. They show some of the other features. The cell wall is composed of polysaccharide like cellulose, glucose, and different type of proteins, or combination of both. Reserve food material is in the form of starch or other form of starch. They reproduce by vegetative, asexual, and sexual method or way. Life cycle exhibit alternation of generation with dominant haploid and reduced diploid phase. These are the some of the features of division Thallophyta. The classification of algae, that means the classification of Thallophyta, is based on the pigments present in it. They are classified into three types. First one, chlorophyce. Second one, the phaeophyce, and last one, rhodophyce. The classification of Thallophyta or classification of algae is based on pigments present in it like chlorophyll, xanthophylls, or phycobilin. So they are classified into chlorophyce, phaeophyce, and rhodophyce. So firstly, listen about the first class of the Thallophyta. That means listen about the chlorophyce. Chlorophyce is commonly called as green algae. Chlorophyce is commonly called as green algae. Mostly the green algae are freshwater, few are marine, and brackish water form. That means the chlorophyce mostly found in freshwater, few found in marine water, and brackish water also, but mostly found in freshwater. Plant body, that means thallus, is unicellular or multicellular. They may be collinear or filamentous, and the cell wall is made up of cellulose. Cell wall of green algae is made from cellulose like components, and the various types of chloroplasts are observed in green algae. Various shape of chloroplasts are observed, that is discoid, disc-like, plate-like, cup-shape, reticulate, and ribbon-like or spiral-like. These are the different shape of chloroplasts found in chlorophyce. Chloroplasts contain the chlorophyll pigments like chlorophyll A and chlorophyll B. They shows a reserve food material is in the form of starch. Pyrannids are located on chloroplasts, and the chlorophyce or the green algae are the members of Thallophyta, class of Thallophyta. They are rich in protein, hence economically they use as a source of food even for the space traveler, For example of green algae, that is chlorella. Chlorella is economically important as food. It is a source of food even for space travelers. Then the examples of the green algae: Chlamydomonas, second one Spirogyra, next one Gyra, Chara and Volvax, and last one Eulothrix. These are the certain examples of the chlorophyce. The next class of the Thallophyta is the Phaeophyce. So listen about Phaeophyce. There are certain examples as shown in figure, that is Sargassum, then the Laminaria. These are the examples of the Phaeophyce. Phaeophyce is commonly called as brown algae. They are commonly known as brown algae. They are mostly marine and rarely found in freshwater bodies. The plant body of the brown algae is thallus or thalloid, simple, branch or filamentous. But here plant body is differentiated into three parts. First one holophast, second one stalk, and third one frond. The plant body is differentiated into holdfast is a basal part, then stalk-like part is known as stipe, and the photosynthetic leafy part is known as frond. This cell wall of the members of brown algae is composed of cellulose, fucans and algin. They show photosynthetic pigment like chlorophyll A, chlorophyll C and fucoxanthin. And here reserve food material is in the form of mannitol, laminarin and starch. They are also economically important as food. For example, laminaria, sargassum and porphyra are economically important as a food. The economic importance of brown algae for the production of hydrocolloids, for example Ectocarpus and Ficus, are used for the production of hydrocolloids. Brown algae like kelps are large. Some of the brown algae are macroscopic algae. They may be grow up to the 100 meters in height. Here listen carefully. Sargasso Sea is a region of North Atlantic Ocean. Sargasso Sea is the region of North Atlantic Ocean. It has characteristics brown seaweeds. It has characteristics brown seaweeds sargassum, and this sargassum has air bladder, hence sargassum floating on the surface of sea, and it forms a sargassum mats. The sargassum mats are found floating on the surface of sea in the region of North Atlantic Ocean. That region is known as Sargasso Sea. That is about the brown algae. And the last type of the Thallophyta or algae, the last topic, that means class Rhodophyceae, that is red algae. Red algae, Rhodophyceae is commonly known as red algae. They are found in marine as well as fresh water. Also found in brackish water. The red algae observed on the surface of water as well as in deep sea. The plant body is thalloid and cell wall is made up of cellulose, pectin Cell wall is made up of cellulose and pectin which are glued with other carbohydrates. Cell wall contain photosynthetic pigment like chlorophyll D and phycoerythrin. Reserve food material is in the form of floridine starch. They are commercially important. Red algae is economically and commercially important as agar-agar, which is used as a solidifying agent in tissue culture. Agar-agar is used for solidifying agent in tissue culture. That means agar-agar is used as solidifying agent in tissue culture medium, and this agar-agar is obtained from red algae. For example, that means the example of red algae is Chondrus, Botrachospermum, Sporophyra, Gelidium, Gracilaria, Polysiphonia, etc. That is about the division Thallophyta and their types. The remaining topic of this chapter we will see in next lecture. Thank you.